So for 5 hours, you will take 2,500. What is the per word rate that? So let's say that you are charging 1 rupee per word. What are the prices that you should be charging? Okay. So if you're a fresher, there are 3 ways in which you can charge. One is per word basis. Okay. Next is per project basis, and third is per hour basis. Okay. Hour basis pe you charge hourly. Per word basis pe you charge per word. So let's say that you are charging 1 rupee per word and you deliver 1,000 words ka article. Okay. So that 1,000 words ka article into 1 rupee will be 1,000 rupees. Okay. So this is per word charging. Per hour charging, let's say you take 5 hours to write one piece of content and you charge 500 rupees per hour. So for 5 hours, you will take 2,500. So for one piece of content, you will charge 2,500 rupees. So ये होती है hourly. And next होती है project wise, जो मैंने अब भी आपको explain किया, ठीक है? So that is how you charge per project. So what is the rate? What is the per word rate that you should start? Always start with 40 पैसे. कि 40 उसके नीचे मत जाना. बहुत लोग होंगे जो आपको बोलेंगे बल्क वर्क है, लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप है, लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटमेंट है, थोड़ा रेट कम करो. नहीं, that's just exploitation. Don't do that. Start with 40. 6 महीने उस पे काम करो. Then अगले 6 महीने में आपका रेट 15 से 25% बढ़ा दो. Maybe work at 65 or 70 पैसे per word. ठीक है? अगले साल you hike it to like say 1 rupee and stick to that rate for 1 year. Then every year by year, year on year, आप अपना rate बढ़ाओगे by 20 to 25%. This is how you get, the rate hike. आपकी experience के हिसाब से आपका prices भी बढ़ता है, and this is how you make more money with more experience. ठीक है? So this was the scope of content writing and a little bit about content writing.